So today, nandito tayo sa meeting. Kasama natin yung bago nating partner. Ang nakakatuwa dito guys, 15 years old lang siya. Yan siya. He's a 15-year-old business partner.
I'm so proud of you, bro. Thank you so much. You know, my main motivation to make a lot of money is, you know, I don't want everything to be handed to me. Work hard for my money so that one day I'll be able to buy the luxuries I want with my own money, and I'll be so proud of myself. Grabe. Good morning!
Hi Sir Ding Dong. Sir Anton pala. Gulat ako. Hi Miss Iris. How are you? So ngayon guys, nagkakaroon ng presentation. Most likely 3 accounts na naman to. Ayan sila. So kung nandyan ka, naghahanap ka ng business etong darating na New Year, you can let us know and syempre, I can help you. Good morning!